Before starting the video, please click on the subscribe button and become the member of this family, and also click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video that I will be uploading. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Kaira Eri. Today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of Glamitup April box, the Organo box. The box is priced at $2.99 including shipping, and you get total 7 products in this box. So let me just remove the upper layer. So this is how it is inside, bubble wrap. So all the products are individually packed. Let's see the first one here. Let me just open up all the products. There is a note in which all the products name has been mentioned. Start with the first product. So the first one is fresh Rosemary shampoo 40 ml. So this is how the shampoo came. The packaging is really good, and they have also sealed this part so that it won't spill out. So on the bottle it is written mild shampoo for daily use, fresh rosemary, hair growth treat, dandruff soothes scalp, and net weight is 80 ml, and the ingredients are aloe casile soap, mint, rosemary, olive oil. So this is how it looks like. So this was the first product. Let's see the next one. So the next one in the list is Saffron glow cream. So this is how it looks like. So it says glow cream, vegan, organic, the healthier way to quench your glow thirst. Saffron, and the net content is 45 ml. Applying it, it's soothing. So on the back side it has been mentioned that this cream even outs the skin tone, non-greasy, soothing, clears out dark spots. Use it regular during night time for best results. Expiring date is 6 months. Can't see the half part, but I think it has been written that blend of 100% natural saffron and sandalwood. So this was the second product. Let's see the third one. So third one in the list is a green tea toner. So this is how it looks like. So it says Glamitup vegan, organic, sun protection, reduce pores, antioxidant, cool green tea and carrot face tonic or spray. So this is a 45 ml. So on the back side, their Instagram page and WhatsApp number has been mentioned. So here it has been written that this face mist gives sun protection. You can freshen up whenever you feel tired. Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, reduce the appearance of pores. So the ingredients are green tea extract, green tea infusion, distilled water, carrot seed oil, mint, vitamin E. So this is the toner, which is the third product. Now let's see the fourth one. So the fourth one in the list is the Tinted lip balm with SPF 15. So this is the balm in this small cute packaging. So let's just open it. So this is how it looks. So this one is the darker shade. There is another lighter shade which has a strawberry flavor, I think. So this is how it is tinted. So this will work. This one is really good as it is also organic lip balm. So yeah, I like it very much. So this was the fourth one. Let's see the fifth one, that is perfume roll-on. So this is how it looks like. So they tied it with a ribbon, decorated with a ribbon. So this is how it looks, the roll-on part. I hope you can see. Just let me just. It has a mild fragrance, but it is very soothing. So I like this one also. I like the perfume. So yeah, let's see the next one. So let's see what we have got next. The next is the Glow Girl Mud Mask, that is 50 ml product. So this is how it came in the packaging, but it got little spilled inside it, if you can see. Just let me open it. So after opening, it was like this, but it's okay. So on the label it is written Glow Mud Mask for all skin types. Then ingredient list has been mentioned. It says Dead Sea mud, glycerin, aloe, tea tree, eucalyptus, argan oil, and mint and charcoal. So let me just open it. Okay, it's filled. So this is how it looks inside. So let's see the last one what we have got. The last one is the 24 karat gold serum 20 ml product. So this is how it came in, very cute, portly. So let me just open it and show you. So this is how it is. Let me just open. So there was a note inside it which says 24 karat gold serum, golden glow, net weight is 20 ml, and the price for this is $350. It says hydrating, anti-aging, removes the blemishes, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and radiant. So this is how it looks like, so nicely packaged. So let me just open. This is how it looks like, so cute. Like, you can see the creativity in this. So let me just remove this first. So it's like creativity plus packaging plus you have to take care that it doesn't get spilled. So I like this idea. So this is how it looks like, and nothing is mentioned. So as it was mentioned in this note, so you can see the particles, little chunks. So this is how it looks like, and it comes with a dropper. So this is the dropper. So now it's easier. So it's good that they have sent a dropper too. So yeah, this was the last product. Let me just open it. This is how is the serum. In this box I loved everything. This is a must buy box, you should get it, as you are getting this lip balm which is tinted and organic, then this perfume roll-on, serum, shampoo, toner which is a must need for daily use. So yeah, just buy it if you are like you want to get organic things and you are getting all of this in $2.99, 7 products, you should buy it. So this was my unboxing of Glamitup Organo box priced at 299 rupees. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you like the box, you can buy it from their Instagram page. I will link down all the details in the description box, so please check out. So be strong and keep smiling. We'll see you in my next video.